Actually, we will discuss material planning or material management, right? Let's define out what is material management. Material management is the process of uniting the activities involved in the acquisition or use of materials employed in the production of finished good. Right here I have mentioned. Right, it is the process of uniting the activities in the acquisition of materials in the production of finished goods. There are certain objectives regarding the material management, and these objectives are that highly it is concerned with the cost minimization of required material, right? But individually it affect all the departments of production, right? All the departments of production of conversion of raw material into finished good. Clear? Now, we will explain. I will discuss each objective, right, briefly. First is cost minimization of material, right? This is the main objective, that we want to minimize the cost, right? Either it is all the raw material or in process inventories whichever were required for the production, right? Second is safety of material, right? To procure and provide materials of desired quality and the lowest possible. This is the overall cost of consumption. And second is receiving and controlling materials safely in good conditions, right? This is the safety of material. And third is efficient record keeping and prompt reporting. Why we are go for efficient record reporting? Suppose there is update in the demand, or there is update in the demand of customers, right? Like we see in mobile manufacturing, right? In every month there is new requirement floating in the market, so we have to keep our raw material requirement according to the updated demand, updated sheets of demand, right? So this is the major objective, that we should be very efficient in record keeping and prompt reporting. Now, last major objective is personal expertise. In material management, we go for the personal expertise, right? We train the people for material requirement planning. There are functional areas of material management, and these functional areas are planning function. Clear? How it works in planning function, right? Sales projection of material, sales projection of the plant, right, for long term material requirement. Clear? If you are going to purchase material, you will not purchase it for a week, right? If you are going to order a material, you will not purchase it for a week. You want to purchase the stock for a month, right? Because transportation costs add the value in the finished cost of material. Now, second is adjustment of latest sales demand. Already I discussed. In planning function, we should change our material requirement, raw material requirement, according to the latest sales demand, right? Second is production control. In case of production control, how it affects, right? Here we determine requirements of materials and parts that is to be purchased and manufactured, then schedule accordingly all the production and purchasing processes. And third is to issue work order to each manufacturing department and purchase orders to suppliers, right? This is the functional areas of production control. Now, other functional areas are purchasing, right? Purchasing means either you are if you are going to purchase raw material, then it must be of desired quality what we need, right? And there should be certain second is acceptable supplier. If you are going to purchase materials, right, then there should be faithful suppliers, acceptable suppliers, who supply the material according to the requirement, according to the quality that we need, right? And third is we should maintain, we will purchase the material according to the inventory or label, right? Third is fourth is inventory and store controls, right? Here we will keep our records updated why? Because we must know how much material we have received, how much it is used, right? And according to that we will forecast the further requirement of raw material, right? Optimum size of order, it is indirectly related to the forecasting of raw material, right? Now receiving and stores. Receiving, we will receive the material very safely and we will keep the materials very safely in the stores, and there should be physical verification of material which is ordered from the suppliers, right? Now shipping. Sixth functional area of PPC, material management under PPC is shipping. In shipping, right, selection of in shipping, it is highly concerned with the distribution of the finished good from the production department, right? And next functional area is material handling. Here we should maintain the availability of equipment, material handling equipment like pallet, containers, clear, and to handle implant materials through trucking, we will handle implant materials through trucking, pallet, containers, right? And last is traffic, right? Traffic is very much concerned with material management, right? Traffic, we will look for the traffic for raw material consignment from suppliers to the plant, and finished good consignment from plant to the customers, right? It should be timely available, right? So we will go for a very resource traffic. We will go to maintain a very good traffic fleet which meets our requirement according to the time. Clear? So this is all about today lecture. We will discuss further material management topic in next lecture.